We're going to look at two more features in table properties now. The first is header row repeat, and the second is allowing a row to break over a page. I've got a table in my document, and if I scroll the document down, you can see that the table goes over more than one page, and also that this cell here, the contents of this cell splits, because I've just selected the one cell there, splits over 2 pages. That can be a useful feature or not. It depends on your choice as to how you want your table to be. So there's two features we're going to look at: header row repeat and allowing this row to break. So we'll sort out this row break first. We'll go into table and down to table properties, and then select the row because we're working with the row properties. And you can see we've got a tick box there that allows the row to break across the page. It's ticked. That's why the row in my table is split over 2 pages. If we remove that tick and OK, hopefully you can see there that the whole of that cell has now jumped down onto the second page and it's no longer split. So that's a very useful feature. Table properties, on the row tab, and allow row to break across the page. You make the choice where you want that to be. The next feature is the header row repeat, which basically means if you've got a long document that splits more than one page, you can lose track of what the data means. There's no title here to say what the table means on page 2. We've got a title on page 1. On page 2 there's nothing there. So we're not going to type the title in again there. That's very ineffective. We're going to get the computer to do it for us. So to do that, we select the table menu again and down once more into table properties. We're going to select here this tick box that says repeat as header row at the top of each page. That's the feature we're going to use. But we've got to tell the computer which row to use at the top of the page. So I'm just going to come out of that a second, scroll back to the top of the document. The reason we've got to do that is because it won't necessarily take the top row. Well, it will take the top row, but you might want more than one row to appear at the top of every page. So we select however many rows we want to appear at the top of the page. I just want this top row. And then table properties, and repeat as header row at the top of each page, and OK. So the theory is that now if I scroll down, you should be able to see this titling appear at the top of the next page. And it does. It's all one table. I can't edit this here. See, I'm trying to click onto my title, it won't let me, because all that does is duplicate what is here. So any changes I make here will appear on every page at the top. So that's header row repeat, table, properties, and it's this tick box, header row repeat.